All right, fifth grade, we have multiplying by multiples of 10 and 100 today. So, whenever multiplying numbers by 10 or 100, you'll do one of two things. You'll either move the decimal spot or you'll add zeros to the end of the number. So if I have 23 times 10 here, the way you set that up is you do 23 times 10 like this, and then you just add that 0 right away, and then 1 times 3 and 1 times 2, and then you're done. Same with 23 times 100. If I did 23 times 100, add 2 zeros, and then I just add 2 zeros and then multiply the whole thing by 2. So multiples of 10 would be like 10, 20, 30, so on and so forth. Multiples of 100, 100, 200, 300, so on and so forth. Okay, so like I have 373 times 200 over here. So if I rewrite this like 373 times 200 with the zeros hanging off to the side there, then I just drop my 2 zeros down, and now I multiply everything by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, 7 times 2 is 14, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So 74,600 would be that one. Or if I did 432 times 40, I'll rewrite it like this, with the 0 hanging off to the side, add my 0 down there, and then just multiply everything by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, and then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And then I have my answer there. Now with money, it's a little bit different. You're just going to move the decimal spot one place to the right for every 0 you have. So if I have $3.55 times 10, it would give me 5. There's my answer. I just moved this spot over one spot. So $35.50. Or times 100, I move it over 2 spots to the right because I have 2 zeros. So then my answer would be $355. Like that. Okay? And if you have a number out in front here that's like a 3 or a 4 or something that's not a 1, move over that decimal, and then you just multiply by that leading number. Okay, so here's a few more examples. It says last season a college basketball player had played an average of 40 minutes per game and played 37 games. How many minutes did that player play last season? So you have 37 games and 40 minutes per game. So we have 37 times 40. Like that 0 hanging off to the right. And then you just drop the 0 down right away and then multiply everything by 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. So that many 1,480 minutes. Remember to circle your answers. All right, here's $1.00 ones. Chandra sold 10 tickets to the school play to friends and relatives for $3.75 per ticket. How much money did Chandra collect from ticket sales? So $3.75, multiply that by 10. Now, the easy trick is you just move that decimal 1 spot to the right because you have a 0. So 1 spot and then multiply everything by 1. So then my answer then would be, still have my same 3 numbers, but the decimal's over here now. So $37.50. All right, here's what your lesson practice looks like. Lots of practice with multiplying numbers by multiples of 10 and 100.